I found this pumpkin shadow box from Target. They do give you some crafts on the inside. I'm going to remove the back. And they gave you these little puffy dots that you can put on the inside. I'm going to put that aside for another project. And I took the back and painted it in our snow owl. I'm not worrying about full coverage as I'm going to decoupage this napkin from the Dollar Tree on the back. I'm going to start by removing the plies from the back of the napkin. Then I'm going to use my 1-hour enamel clear. Lay down my napkin. Use some saran wrap and a brayer. And then I'm going to apply 1-hour enamel clear. I'm going to tear back the edges of my napkin while it's wet. I found these metal sprays at Hobby Lobby along with the scarecrow here. And I'm just wiggling each of the flowers, and they break off quite easy. If you just kind of go back and forth, they do pop off from the stem. And I did the same thing with the crow. Then I'm going to take these little blocks that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them to the back of all my flowers. These metal flowers and this crow are not flat on the back side, so you're really going to need something that's going to give you a place to glue. I put the sunflowers down, and then I glued the scarecrow down. And this is to the decoupaged pumpkin. I have this blessed pumpkin. I'm going to remove it from the wooden beads here. I believe I grabbed that at the Dollar Tree. It was a little ornament. And I'm going to glue the pumpkin just to the right. And then add a jute bow. Then I'm going to take my back and apply it back to the pumpkin. And then I'm going to take some watered down chocolate and use it as a stain all the way around the edge of the frame. And I'm just cleaning up the paint as I go along. I took some raffia and wrapped it around the stem of the pumpkin. And then cut it back a little bit here. And then I'm going to take my last metal flower and glue it to the top of the pumpkin. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.